Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to print a web page using Microsoft Edge. This should be a quick and easy process, so let's walk through it together. First, open up Microsoft Edge and then go to the web page that you want to print. Let's use google.com as an example. Now, printing the page is actually pretty straightforward. All you need to do is press and hold the Control key and then press the letter P. In other words, the keyboard shortcut is Control plus P. Once you do that, a print window should pop up on your screen just like this. Give it a moment to load everything. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose your printer. You'll also see a preview of the web page you're about to print. At this point, you can adjust your settings, such as the number of copies, the page layout, and whether you want to print in color or in black and white. Once everything looks good, just click on print and that's it, you're done. Now, if you prefer not to use the keyboard shortcut, you can also click on the three dots in the top right corner of Edge and then choose print from the drop-down menu. So that's how you print a web page in Microsoft Edge. As always, thank you for watching.